Seeking wisdom from the leaders of this world is like asking Satan for wisdom. The leaders that stand up to the beast system are often killed. The beast system is Satan's network in the physical realm. Israelites, religion and the beast culture is a smoke screen to keep you from entering the battlefield. If Satan can keep you focused on the affairs of the flesh, you will remain defeated. The workers of iniquity will instruct you to pray. The reason they encourage you to pray, they know that people are praying to idols in religion. Many people have accepted Satan as their Lord and Savior. If they can keep you worshiping and praying to the false Messiah, you will never find deliverance. That is why the awakening is happening for the people of the Most High to get to know the true Elohim of Israel and return to serving him in the spirit and in truth.